Mission College is dedicated to providing an exceptional educational experience in a vibrant and supportive environment. Our commitment to your success is reflected in the wide range of services and opportunities we offer, designed to help you achieve your academic and career goals. This is why we are right for you. Our beautiful campus, located in the heart of the Silicon Valley, serves as an inspiring backdrop for your journey. Enjoy modern classrooms and cutting-edge technology that enhance your learning experience. Our state-of-the-art facilities include advanced labs for computer science and engineering, creative spaces for graphic design and multimedia, and comprehensive health occupation labs, all tailored to provide hands-on practical skills. Explore a variety of academic programs, transfer pathways, and degree offerings. No matter what field you're interested in, our programs are designed to equip you with the skills you need for a successful career. Our students thrive in their careers with many securing positions at some of the world's leading companies. Financial support is a cornerstone of our mission. We also offer comprehensive support services, including academic counseling and a dedicated career and transfer center to help you navigate your educational and career path. Come visit our campus, meet with current students and faculty, and experience firsthand the opportunities and advanced facilities that await you. At Mission College, we are committed to supporting your journey and seeing you achieve your academic and career goals.